Luxury travel for the price of economy, and business class comfort for less than the price of an economy ticket. You're about to see exactly how I did it, and the secrets airlines really don't want you to know. If you've ever thought luxury travel was only for the rich, you're wrong. What I'm about to show you can change the way you travel forever. Watch till the end. This one tip can save you over $1,000 per trip. Let's be real. Most travelers overpay without realizing it. Airlines use algorithms, timing windows, and booking psychology to make you think you're getting a deal when you're actually not. They track your searches, raise prices when you check the same route twice, and push you toward expensive upgrades. The truth? The same seat that costs $1,200 to one person can cost $350 to someone who knows what they're doing. So how do you unlock luxury travel on a budget? The answer starts with how you search. Act 1. The secret search strategy. First, use private browsing or incognito mode. Every time you search a flight, the site stores cookies and increases the price the next time you check. Open a new private window, clear cookies, and compare. You'll often see flight prices drop by 20 to 40% instantly. Act 2. The hidden city trick airlines hate. This one's controversial. It's called hidden city ticketing. Instead of booking your destination directly, book a longer route that connects through your target city. Then just don't board the last flight. Example: a Paris-New York-Miami ticket might cost $400, but Paris-New York alone is $900. You just step off in New York. Use responsibly. Airlines dislike it, but it's completely legal for passengers. Act 3. Loyalty loopholes and credit tricks. Here's another secret. You don't need to fly often to earn luxury benefits. Use airline-linked credit cards with welcome bonuses. For example, a single 60,000-mile sign-up bonus can cover a business class upgrade or free round-trip flight. And once you get even basic status, you'll get priority check-in, extra baggage, lounge access, and upgrades without paying extra. Act 4. Timing and tools that outsmart airlines. Next, timing. The best time to book is Tuesday or Wednesday, 6 to 8 weeks before departure. Prices are algorithmically lower after airlines reset their inventory. Tools like Google Flights, Skiplagged, and ITA Matrix reveal hidden fares and show which routes have luxury deals hiding in plain sight. Act 5. Luxury for less. Hotels and upgrades. Don't stop with flights. Use websites like Hotel Tonight or Priceline Express Deals to book luxury stays at last-minute prices, often 70% off. Then, email the hotel politely before arrival. Mention it's a special trip or milestone. You'll be surprised how often you get a free upgrade. Not. When I started traveling, I thought luxury was for the elite. I used to walk past the business lounge thinking, one day maybe. But now I fly with legroom, sip champagne before takeoff, and pay less than I used to for economy. The difference? Knowledge. Once you understand how airlines and hotels actually work, luxury becomes accessible to everyone. If you love uncovering hidden travel secrets like these, subscribe right now. We reveal a new one every week, and next week's episode will show you how to get 5-star stays for under $50 a night. Subscribe, comment your favorite destination. This isn't about spending more. It's about traveling smarter, because luxury doesn't have to be expensive. Luxury Travel on a Budget series. Watch next. Subscribe for more hidden travel secrets.